Okay, let's use the auger now.
Stop.
Oh, it's so strong. It's broken. Hi, kids. Say hi, Anton.
Hi.
Today, we are going to unbox this chocolate egg, this box, and we're going to use this thing in here, this one, to unbox this egg, right, Anton?
Yes, right.
And we're going to use a jackhammer also, maybe?
Yes, with the
Right?
truck.
Okay, so let's do it now.
Yes.
This is the truck,
Yeah.
and this is like the auger.
Yes, if you want to drill something like this, it's called the egg.
This is the. Can you show the auger? This is the auger. This is like the drill.
Then we can move.
They use to open this one. This thing.
This one.
This one, right?
Yes.
So can you show us to open it?
Wait, I need to move the black one. Look. Where is the drill? This
So you're gonna drill it
there.
like that to open
Hard.
the first thing.
Just put it hard, but not easily. That's hard.
So we're gonna open this chocolate here,
Yes.
this egg, to get the cars, these mini cars here, using this one, right, Anton?
Yes. Right.
Okay, let's start now. Okay, there's like a hammer. This one,
And a driller.
this thing is a hammer. This one, we can hit the chocolate.
Maybe we can
egg.
drill it also. Maybe we can drill it.
Yeah, we can drill a chocolate with this one also, right?
Yes.
And this one has this thing also. If you're wondering what this is like a scanner.
Yes.
This
And
thing, this plate here,
then it's
you scan the ground, and you can scan what's under the ground. If there's something like metal or something under the ground,
something hot.
it's like a scanner.
Yeah,
So
but
you can,
if you see something
like,
hot,
maybe you can, not hot, but actually you can
the volcano so hot that
you can
it's
actually find
things
things like this under the ground.
yeah. Then
Some stuff.
and then if you touch the lava thing that's flowing with your fingers, then it's gonna be hot. Really
Right,
so hot.
right. This one on the other side
There's
is
a
the
drill.
jackhammer, right? This is the jackhammer,
Yes.
this gray thing here.
You can use that.
You hold it here and it will drill like concrete or anything. Maybe you can use this in the chocolate egg also to open it.
Yes.
So this is the truck. It looks heavy duty, right?
Yes,
Looks
heavy
strong with large tires. This
Yes.
bumper
It can go to
grill.
a race.
This guy inside is the one driving, and this girl wearing the suit with oxygen and the helmet, protective gear, because she's the one going near the volcano. And as we all know, that red thing flowing from the volcano is very hot. It's very, very hot. Let us unbox this now, Anton,
Yes.
and see what is inside. Which one are we gonna get from these chocolate eggs? Can you open it now?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, there's lots of eggs. Yeah. Yeah.
3 of them. What? So there are 3 eggs that we
Yeah,
can
that's
open.
empty now.
Okay.
So let's open it like this. So let's
Yeah.
open it like this.
Okay. Open it now.
There. I heard something like bong 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 bong.
Maybe we can scan this.
Oh.
Can we
yes.
scan this and check what's inside? Do you think they can do it?
I think that's not a driller.
So which one are we gonna use? The hammer, the jackhammer,
I think the
this
jackhammer.
hammer?
You will use the big
Are we gonna
drill.
use this jackhammer or this. I think what if we use all of it, like three of it? So which one are gonna use? Let's use the hammer first.
First,
This
okay.
hammer, because we have 3 eggs, so we're gonna use one for each egg, right?
Yes.
It's a good idea, I think. So can you crack it open using this hammer?
Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, it's too hard.
Is it hard?
This is a scratch here. This is a scratch.
Oh, it is just scratching it. Do it, do it.
Then what?
Yeah, hit
Hard.
it.
It's too difficult.
What if we use this jackhammer?
Oh, that's a good idea. That's gonna work because that's a line thing.
Yeah, I think so. Are you gonna put the egg down or something? Oh, you made a hole.
Yes.
You made a hole.
It's
You're poking it. Can you show it to me?
cracking.
There's a hole already.
And I made the crack.
What? Do it again. The jackhammer is drilling. It's drilling on the chocolate egg. Oh, you crack it open. Oh, it's cracked already. Oh, there you go. We got the treasure. We got it. Yeah, let's scan what's inside of this thing. This is a treasure.
It's a whole body.
Maybe I can just squeeze like this.
Bruh.
Who's that guy? Are you eating it? Oh, there he is. He's eating the chocolate. He's eating a chocolate egg. Let's crack the next egg open.
First, this one.
Can you unbox
Remove
it
the
now?
plastic. Remove this plastic.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, it's open already. Do it slowly.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. It's okay. Stay there.
It's cracked already. Are we still gonna drill it?
Yes.
It's open already. We don't need to drill it anymore. Maybe we can drill that last egg. You're eating again? There it is. It's open. It looks red. Maybe this is McQueen? Oh no, it's Mater. It's Mater. What's that thing?
But his eyes are closed.
Mater's eyes? Yeah, we need to put the sticker
And
on.
we need to put...
This is light. This is made of plastic.
Yes. So baby can float.
In the water?
Yes.
Can you show me the sticker of Mater?
We need to put his eyes.
That's the car sticker. This is Mater's sticker. See the eyes of Mater.
So we got this guy and
the tires
we
sticker.
got every...
So let's open the last egg now.
Yes.
I think you can use the auger now. Oh, I mean, yeah, this auger, right?
Yes. First,
you unwrap it first. Okay, let's use the auger now.
Stop.
Oh, it's so strong. It's broken.
The hammer, Papa,
Yeah.
Oh, it's up.
So we broke the last egg, the third egg. So let's see what's inside. You're eating again. Is it good? You guess which one we got again. Who's that?
Another Mater.
Another Mater. Get it out.
I got it.
Got it. We got 2 Maters.
It's a hole.
We got 2 Maters here. And this is the second one.
Wow.
And the third one.
Here.
So this guy is Nigel Gearsley. Yeah. He's using this sticker. Grand Prix. World Grand Prix number 9. So this is Nigel Gearsley. And tomatoes. Okay. So There you go, kids. We opened 3 chocolate eggs already using this machine here, the auger, and this one, this thing. What do you call this one, Anton?
Jackhammer.
The jackhammer. And Anton ate a lot of chocolates already. He's eating chocolates. Lots of chocolates. So, okay, kids. That's it for now. See you next time.
The next time.
Bye.
Bye.